Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a project which is based on clicked event. So for that we'll need the external sprite. So the name of the sprite is like as we had Halloween a few days before on this, so we can have a ghost, a cute little ghost. So let us download this cute little ghost which is holding a pumpkin. So here in this case I'm saving him as ghost, its name as ghost. So that's it. So now let me upload this external image here. So for uploading this image, okay, so I don't want this cat, so let me delete this cat. The size of this sprite is really large, so I'll just write it 50. Okay, now as I mentioned, this is a mouse click based event project. So here in this case, for this, let me first name it as Ghost Catcher. That's the title for this project. Now here in this case, how the project is supposed to work. Here in this case, the ghost will appear randomly here on the screen, and after when the ghost appears, I just have to click on this ghost. When I clicked on that ghost, I'll get some scores. So that's how the project works. So for that, as him to appear like a ghost, so I'll need the blocks from looks. Those are show, one is show, and other one is hide. So show is this is hide, show, hide. But I can't always click on this. So let everything happens with this green flag. So when the green flag is clicked, it will show, it will appear. But I want there should be some time gap between these events. So it is wait 1 second, and again here in this case wait 1 second. So if I add these blocks, you will see that the ghost will appear once. So and that means just hidden and no more ghost appearing. So I want this ghost to like show and hide forever. So now this will be like show and hide forever. But I want him to appear from somewhere in the random position. So let's get a block from motion that go to random position, and yeah, all this time I think that works. So here in this case I don't want him exactly to appear at 1 second, so let me add some random time also. So pick time from 1 to like I'll write it as 0.2 to say 1.2. You can change, you can add time as per your wish. So that's how. So when you click here, you can see the ghost is appearing. He is at random position and the time interval is not fixed. So that's what I wanted. Now as and when, as I mentioned at the start, only the project, in this project the ghost will appear once and it is hidden. And when the ghost appears, we just have to click. So when we click, we should get some scores. So to get a scores, we have to come to variables. In variables, we have to create a variable called score. So that's one score variable. So let initially when this flag is clicked, set the variable to 0. So that is also it's in given base when the green flag is. But obviously when I clicking on him, so I should get some scores. So when the sprite is clicked, so change the scores by 1. So that's what the purpose of this project is completed. But I cannot do this thing forever. So here for this what I'll do, I will add one more variable called time. So here, so this is a time variable, and I want time value should be set to say 10. That means seconds should be there, and when again this also, when the green flag is clicked, so the time should go to 10, and this whole thing should keep on repeating until certain condition. So what is that condition? The time should be equal to 0. So for that I'll go to operators, and when this operators value is equals to 0, so you can see this time which is equals to 0, and last but not least, here till now whatever I have done, just see this, the scores are increasing, there's no change on the time. Even if I have added that the project should keep on going for 10 seconds, there's no effect of time yet. So it will come when I'll add something here in this repeat block. So let's add some wait 1 seconds time, and it should, the value of the time should keep on changing. So let's go to variables again, and change, that is, this is not score, this is time by -1. So it will just go, it will just keep on decreasing. Now see, stop. Now you can see the value, the time, when I click on this green flag, the time is decreasing. There is no change here in the scores, but yeah, the time is changing. So you can see the effect of this blocks. Now finally the time score is 0. Now I'll just start this project and let's get score here. So as of now, till now the status of the project is such like the value will increase, and that the project is going to last only for 10 seconds. Okay, so let's begin with this project. Start. So clicked. So where is one more, one more, one more, one more. Now again he's coming. Oh, time got over. Still I'm getting scores. Something wrong with this project, isn't it? So even the time has like 10 seconds has completed, but still I can click on this sprite and the scores are increasing. So what I can do is, I should get something to be done for this. So it's like everything should stop. So it's stop all. Let's see now what happens. He's very fast. Uh-oh. No, he is not there. So hope you got the purpose of stop all. And this is how the Ghost Catcher project works. Thanks for watching.